What if there were no what if there were no limitation to your dream? If there was no limit to the sky, what would you choose for your life? I'm still discovering this myself, but today I'm sharing an easy, no cost way to bring your dreams to life. Right from your phone, no glue, no paper, no hassle. Just you, Pinterest, and a vision for your future. By the end of this video, you'll have your very own digital vision board and you can update it anytime, anywhere. It's not just a collection of pretty pictures, it's a daily reminder of who you want to be, where you want to go, and what you want to achieve. This simple tool will keep you inspired and motivated to take action toward your goal. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the idea of creating a vision board, as I have, then this video is for you. I'll walk you through a step-by-step guide to using Pinterest to design your dream in minutes. No cost, no extra material, and no mess. Let's turn your imagination into something tangible, fun, and life-changing. Step-by-step guide to Pinterest vision boards. What you'll need: let's open Pinterest and head to the home page. Tap the the plus button at the top of the screen. From the options, let's select collage. Choose to design your own collage. You can use the search bar to find inspiring pictures, whether it's dream destination, career, goals, or personal affirmations. Tap an image to cut it out automatically, or double tap to use the whole picture. Drag and drop images to arrange them. Long press to layer stickers, duplicate, or delete them. Use 2 fingers to zoom in or out and reposition with 1 finger. Now save your dream board. Once you're happy with the layout, save it. You can revisit, update, and refine it anytime. Ready to bring your dreams to life? Grab your phone, follow these steps, and start designing a future that excites you. Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your big goals.